Hello and welcome back to Farawa. The first time I heard about violet syrup was last spring, however by then it was too late in the season to do it. All we had were a few white violets left and it didn't really work, so I was determined to make it the following year. Sure enough, the next spring came and the violets bloomed. I got right to work and collected as many as I dared, leaving plenty for prettiness and the bees. The more purple the violets, the more flavorful they are, so I chose all purple violets. Once I had as many as I wanted, it took quite a while, I washed them and started separating the petals from the green. The ratio is 1 part violets to 1 part water and 1 part sugar. Next, we make a sort of violet tea. Pour 1 cup of hot water over 1 cup of violets. Within minutes, the color started leaking from the petals and made the water blue. Leave the flowers covered overnight or for a few hours, and then strain them in the morning. Now different things can happen in the next part. In all the videos I saw, the tea was a perfect blue. However, when I uncovered mine, it was gray-green. I was very disappointed, but later learned that depending on the pH levels in your water, or if you have well or city, it can affect how the pigment reacts. Anyway, no matter if your violet tea is gray or blue, you can still achieve the coolest part of this recipe. Adding lemon juice turns it pink. Add as much as you'd like. Anyway, after that, I put 1 cup of the tea into a double boiler and added 1 cup of white sugar. Then I filled the bottom of the double boiler with water and set it on the stove. I stirred the mixture until the sugar dissolved, and after that, maybe for half an hour. I tried again the next day for perhaps another half an hour, or basically until you achieve your desired consistency. To me, the syrup tastes like grapes. It is very sweet and the color is so pretty. I will be definitely making it again next year. You can find more similar content on our Instagram, farawa.house, where we post more frequently content like this. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.